It is November 19th, 2025, and this monstrous window blinds control system is finally done, or as done as it's ever going to get, because I'm done working on it after this. So I've got three actuators here, one for each of three windows. Each actuator has a PCB that I designed with an ESP32 and a little motor driver on board. They're all connected with Ethernet cable, single Ethernet cable, as you can see, that carries 24-volt DC power and also RS-485 data. They daisy chain down to a master control board, which is actually the same PCB, but with different components mounted on it. And as you can see, it has a big Wi-Fi antenna connected to it and a single button 3D printed in, and then a power supply connects that to the wall. So when I plug this in, we get red LEDs on all. And when I press the button, the actuators turn one at a time. And they're only turning a portion of the way open just because it takes a while to turn them all the way open. But they're pretty darn quiet. This is the quietest of any of the actuators I've built by far, even though, you know, there's a decent amount of noise coming out of them, but it's really not that much. And it's very continuous, very smooth, very consistent. So it's sort of, you know, background white noise. I'm making that happen by using brushless DC motors going through 30-to-1 harmonic drives, those silver objects right there. And originally, I wanted to do field-oriented control, but I'm actually doing open loop sinusoidal commutation position control, and that is good enough. So why, you know, deal with feedback if I don't have to? So on top of having the quietest possible motor control, I'm also going to line the cases with this extremely heavy roll of mass-loaded vinyl right there. And I'm mounting the actuators to the wall with silicone in between them to reduce transmission of vibration to the walls themselves, and hopefully that'll give me just about the lowest possible noise. The end goal is that these living room windows need to be able to open at sunrise and not wake me up in my bedroom next door with the door open. That's the ultimate design goal. So hopefully we achieve that. And if not, then I'll just have to make it a habit to close the door, because this is as far as it's going.